and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all things related to digital marketing and SEO. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into: what is technical SEO? So, let's jump right in. Introductory explanation. Host. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of technical SEO, let's understand the basic concept. Technical SEO refers to the process of optimizing your website for search engines to help them crawl, index, and understand your content more effectively. It involves various technical aspects that can significantly impact your website's performance in search engine rankings. Segment 1. Importance of technical SEO. Host. Technical SEO is the backbone of any successful SEO strategy. It lays the foundation for your website's overall performance in search engines. Here are some key reasons why technical SEO matters. Indexation. Proper technical SEO ensures that search engines can easily find and index your website's pages, making it accessible to potential visitors. Site speed. A crucial factor in SEO rankings is site speed. Technical optimizations can significantly improve your website's loading times, leading to better user experience and search rankings. Mobile responsiveness. With the growing number of mobile users, search engines prioritize mobile-friendly websites. Technical SEO plays a vital role in ensuring your site is responsive across various devices. Crawlability. Technical SEO helps search engines navigate and crawl your website more efficiently, ensuring all your essential pages are discovered. Segment 2. Key technical SEO elements. Host. Now, let's explore some fundamental technical SEO elements that you need to pay attention to. Website structure. Creating a well-organized website structure with clear hierarchies and internal linking is crucial for both users and search engines. URL structure. Optimizing your URLs to be descriptive, concise, and include relevant keywords enhances the chances of higher rankings. XML sitemap. Generating and submitting an XML sitemap to search engines helps them understand your website's structure and index it more effectively. Robots.txt. Properly configuring the robots.txt file allows you to control which parts of your site should be crawled and indexed by search engines. HTTPS and security. Securing your website with HTTPS encryption not only protects user data but also gives a ranking boost in search results. Segment 3. Technical SEO best practices. Host. Now that we've covered the key elements, let's go over some best practices for effective technical SEO. Website audit. Conduct regular audits to identify and fix technical issues like broken links, duplicate content, and crawl errors. Page speed optimization. Compress images, leverage browser caching, and use content delivery networks, CDNs, to improve your site's loading speed. Mobile optimization. Ensure your website is mobile friendly and provides an excellent user experience on all devices. Schema markup. Implement structured data or schema markup to help search engines understand the context of your content better. Canonicalization. Avoid duplicate content issues by setting canonical tags for identical or similar pages. Conclusion. Host. And there you have it, the fundamentals of technical SEO. Remember, technical SEO forms the backbone of your overall SEO strategy. Ignoring these crucial aspects could hinder your website's visibility and performance in search engine rankings. So, take the time to optimize your site technically, and you'll be well on your way to better search engine visibility, more organic traffic, and increased success in the online world. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting SEO tips and digital marketing insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Live my life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a boss player, it's even getting hot. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my